Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for train tickets in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the left. First, you have to select if it's a single, a return, or a open return trip. So just click on the one. And then you have to set the departure station. And then you have to select the target station. Then you have to set the date of the departure. And then you have to set the passengers, so the number of adults and children traveling with you. And if you add children, you have to set their age as well. And then just click on the done button. And then you can add a rail card if you have one, but that is optional. And then just click on the find times and prices button. And as you can see, here will be all the available trains for that day with the prices next to them. So if you're interested in one of them, just click on them and you will see the details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.